It's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a PS5 controller to your iPad. So let's just go to settings right here, scroll all the way up the top, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now searching for devices to connect to. Make sure your PS5 controller is turned off by holding down the PlayStation button for about 5 to 10 seconds. When the controller is turned off, hold down the share button here and the PlayStation button at the same time. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see the light is blinking and the DualSense Edge wireless controller is on here now. I can just go ahead and tap this and you can see it's connected. So I should be able to scroll on down and use this now on my iPad. And if we want to turn it off, just hold down the PlayStation button there for about 5 to 10 seconds like I showed you before. And then you should be good to go playing your games. Fortnite. Now if you want to forget this device so it can be connected to another device really easy, just forget it right there, don't disconnect it, and then this should turn off and we can bring it back to our PlayStation or wherever. I think there's a new option where you can just hold down the PlayStation button and tap like O's, triangle, X, or square to connect to different Bluetooth devices now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.